accurate and dependable from the Weather Channel.
Report 1-900-WEATHER for 95.
And we have our East Coast storm too. That wasn't really that bad despite the wind and the rain. At least thermometers are in the 60s and not in the 40s and 50s. And there's your cool air sitting over one storm with the clouds and the rainfall. Not a lot of rain, but just enough to make it a little. You'll be down probably in the upper 40s for the first time this year. East Coast, though, we're dealing with a nor'easter, our second one in September. And now in the wintertime, these kind of storms can really pound you away with snow and wind and ice. But it's still a little too warm for snow, but we still have to deal with the northeast winds. That piles up the surf. We get some beach erosion cast. But first, check on how it looks from space. There it is. We've got two storms on one satellite photo covering the eastern two-thirds of the U.S. That's pretty remarkable in itself. This one is going to move up the coast and be out of the way by Saturday afternoon. This storm, though, is the real problem in the forecast. There's nothing really behind it to kick it off to the east. You can see the jet stream coming down and the clouds whisking through the plains. That's a sign of the cooler air diving down behind the storm. But there's nothing to really move it all out of the way. So we're forecasting it to kind of drift south and then maybe a little bit the showers continue around the northeast. We'll have more on this storm, let you know how that will impact your weekend. Plus, we'll let you know about the West Coast weather and how nice it's shaping up for coming up.
Your local radar showing any precipitation and its movement during the past 90 minutes. Intensity is indicated by the color code at the top of the screen.